guys, what's up? Chemistra here. I'm Chemistra in real person, and today we're going to have a giveaway. Right here, we have the first prize, which is this one. Yep, it is the Ho-Oh EX card. It is, sorry that it isn't the full art card, but it is indeed the Ho-Oh EX. And if you want to win this, you have to go to this video, which you're already in, I hope. If not, then it's kinda weird. But if you are, then it's kinda neat. So if you want to win this, leave a comment below, and I'll pick a random comment. And well, it's not random because I'm gonna read them, and I'm gonna pick the best one. So write something nice. Please write something nice. Or give me some constructive feedback. That would be nice too. That would be very, very kind of you. So if you could do that, that would be fine. So leave a comment below. I'll read them and I'll give you a private message. I'll get the address and I'll send it right away. But that isn't all, guys. Because today we're giving away 2 prizes. And the other thing we're giving away is this. The Ho-Oh EX full art. It is way more rare than the other card. So it's still the same card, it does the same things, and they are both from the Dragon's Exalted pack. See how it looks nice? And it has something thing on it. It's neat. It looks nice. It's so neat. But the rules for this are different. It must be a subscriber. I'll pick a random subscriber. I'll record when I do it so you won't get cheated. And I'll pick a random subscriber and I'll send this card right away, just like the other card. So please subscribe, guys, if you want to win this. If you don't want to win this, then please don't subscribe. I mean, please subscribe even if you want to win it, and even if you don't. So just do it, okay? Just subscribe and you might win this awesome card. Yeah, same rules almost for the emailing. Not the emailing, you can't get this by and you have to print it out because I want to keep this. So again, I'll send you a private message, I'll get the address, and we will fix this. And you can have this in no time. Unless you live in New Zealand, because the post from Denmark to New Zealand there's a long way there. So let's just leave it with that. So today we had 2 prizes from my personal arsenal of Pokemon cards. This is not my deck, actually, it's my girlfriend's deck. She's a Pokemon fanatic, just like me. Pretty nice. So yeah, my cards is over there. Oh wait, it's right over there. Yeah, you can't see it because the camera's stuck. So yeah, the reason that I'm giving away these cards is partly because I want to have a bigger audience with my gaming channel, and also that I want to do something for you guys. It would be cool if I could give you something to like show that I appreciate your support. Sadly I can't do like Athene and Swifty and whatever they are called and give like Razer stuff and the keys to my apartment. I can't do that because that would be lame, and you don't know where I live, so you couldn't use them to anything. And also it's not my apartment, it's my girlfriend's, so she wouldn't like that. Yeah, so I don't have sponsored things to offer you, but still I can give you this, and it's neat. I think I would love to win these things. So yeah, bye.